In today's video, I'll show you how you can reduce distortion in Fxsound. So let's get started. So distortion usually happens when audio signals are pushed too hard, so either by the volume, EQ, or stacked effects. So now I'm going to show you the first thing that you should try to do, which is to lower your volume boost, which is basically the dynamic boost right here. You want to start by reducing the overall output volume or boost setting. So high gain often causes clipping. So I'm going to go and reduce it into 3 from the value of 6. So I think that's a lot. And now you can test out the audio if it is now fixed, if you still have some distortions in there, because this is the main reason or the most common reason that people are having distortions. And next is that if it's still not fixed, you can proceed into reducing your big EQ boost. So if you can remember, if you have changed something drastic in here, like you have changed this into or changed the gain a lot by a lot of value in here, or maybe lowered it down a lot, then that might be the cause. So you would want to bring it back. You can always go here into the preset if ever you just want to go for a quick fix. So in this way, you don't have to manipulate the values in here and it will be fixed because all of the presets in here are quite good. So you can just choose the preset right here that you would most likely like, depending on for what purpose you're using the equalizer for. And you would also want to disable heavy effects such as dynamic boost or bass and the surround sound. You want to test each one of them individually. So for example, surround sound first, set it to 0, test the audio. If it's still distorting, then you can proceed to the other one. You can also disable the dynamic boost. And then if it's still distorting, then disable the bass boost. So in this way, you would be able to determine on which one is causing your distortion. But if none of them, then you can just bring it back up. So yeah, those are what you would need to do in order for you to test on what causes your distortion, because that's what you need to know in order to fix it. And that's how you reduce distortion in Fxsound.